what you guys do. It is the only thing I've seen that's as good as the movie itself. It's the best tour of DC.
I'm a huge fan of the Nashville Treasure Hunt podcast. An amazing job of bringing the movies to real life, and I really appreciated that. I'm looking forward to any future events that come up.
I have been in downtown DC for probably every day the last 2 decades, and I learned more today than I have any day in those past 2 decades. It was fantastic. Really appreciate it.